Number 9, kind or kind, is the elixir for the children. So from babies all the way up to 12, 13, you can use your kind or your kind elixir, very good for sensitive skin. It is the elixir for children. Number 10, power, is like your burn shield. So if you've had an electric shock or you've burnt yourself and you struggle with the skin that burns, you use number 10, power. It's also the aggression elixir. It's the liver elixir, and it helps you to get rid of anger in a healthy way. Number 11, no, one of my favorites, is the anxiety elixir. So it's like a rescue remedy. And if you struggle with anxiety and you stress a lot, this is the elixir for you. Number 12, EndoFem, is the FemWell brand or FemWell range. It's all about hormones, menstruation, your periods, becoming a woman, coming of age. Number 13 is, we've done it on the train last month, it's all about your lungs, recovery, restoration, sinus, infections. Neuro, number 14, again, brain wellness, if you've given birth to a Sheldon Cooper. If you are neurodiverse, if you struggle with concentration, focus, and autism, this helps to control meltdowns. Number 15, allow, is the liver elixir. It's all about liver wellness, gallbladder wellness, and it's also about bitterness and releasing resentment.